Today, I am here to guide you through the process of making crispy potato shrimp once again. If you are interested in learning how to make crispy potato shrimp, let's cook together. First, we must clean our potatoes, peel them, and steam them. Alternatively, you can boil them, peel them, and cook them in the same manner. We start by cooking our onions until they are crispy, and we cook them briefly. For the carrots, we cook them in the same manner as the onions, and then we set them aside. As for the shrimp, we wash them and drain the water. We season them with a little Knorr chicken powder and set them aside. My dear audience, I would like to thank you for supporting my page, and for those of you who have not yet liked my page, please do not forget to help me by liking it. Now, let's take a look at the vegetables we have prepared and turn our attention to the potatoes, which are already cooked. We start by mashing the potatoes like this, my dear audience. We mash them well and then add the carrots and onions that we have already cooked, followed by a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of Knorr chicken powder, and then we mix everything together. Here, my dear audience, we stir until the mixture is well combined. And then we start to crack our duck eggs. For this recipe, we only use the yolks of the duck egg. Now, without further ado, let's start making the potato balls. For the potatoes, we roll them first, and then we press them flat. Once our potatoes are flat, we place our shrimp inside and pack them like this. My dear audience, we pack them in such a way that they come out like this, and after we have packed them well, we start dipping them in the egg yolks that we set aside. When we dip them in the eggs, we must coat them with breadcrumbs. For these breadcrumbs, my dear audience, I have crushed them a little more finely. When we coat the potatoes in the breadcrumbs, we make sure they are well coated, and when frying them, the breadcrumbs will look like they want to be eaten right away. They will not expand like our fried chicken. We do this, my dear audience, and then we are ready to take them to the frying pan. When frying, you should use moderate heat, not too low and not too high. If you use too much heat, it can cause the shrimp to cook too quickly, resulting in the shrimp inside being undercooked, so you should use medium heat, not too low and not too high. Our shrimp-packed potatoes will be crispy and delicious, and the color will also be beautiful. So, for these shrimp-wrapped potatoes, you should use enough heat. Now, as you can see, they are cooked, my dear audience. They are very tasty. I guarantee you that they are delicious, and the sauce is very easy. You can simply use chicken sauce or tomato sauce, and it's done. All of you, don't forget to try cooking this dish. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to leave them below my video.